Welcome back to the Market Navigator channel. My name is Corey, and this series will teach you how to build a robust stock portfolio tracker that allows you to track all of your stocks and other securities across all of your portfolios. In the last video, we discussed 3 ways to error-proof your portfolio using the Google Finance formula. In this video, we'll talk about formatting and conditional formatting, which will make our portfolio look even better. Before we begin, click the subscribe button below so that you can be notified of all new Market Navigator videos and stay up to date with the progress of the portfolio tracker and the dashboard that we'll be building together. Let's get started. There's a number of things that you can do to help keep your portfolio clean and easy to read. The first of which is to increase your header row size to have a bigger height, and that demands a bigger presence in your portfolio. The next thing you can do is add a header background color. I like the blue color. I also like to change the fonts that are on my portfolios. The way you do that is you can select your entire portfolio by clicking in the top left-hand corner between the rows and the columns. And you can go up here to the fonts and click whatever font you like. I happen to like the Montserrat font, which is very crisp to the eye. The next thing you might want to do is increase your font sizes. In the same way, you can select the entire sheet by clicking up in the top left over here between the columns and the rows. And you can come over here to the font size and make it just a little bit bigger. And you'll notice here in columns G and I that we're actually crowding the columns and that the data is overflowing. And it's actually hiding the percent symbol in column I, and in column G it's not fully saying value here. The way that we can fix this is by using a feature within Google Sheets called word wrapping. So to use this feature, we can select the entire row, row number 1, and up here you'll notice that there's a button for text wrapping. If you click that and click the button that says wrap, you'll actually wrap over your data so that nothing gets overflowed. The next thing I would suggest that you do is use a feature in Google Sheets called conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allows you to format the text of particular cells based on the contents of that cell. So a good place that we can use this is in columns H and I. There are total gains and losses, which are relative numbers based on your total cost basis and the current market value. What we can do for these cells, if we highlight all the way down for cells H and I, in column H and I, and go up to Format, Conditional Formatting, we can format these cells based on the contents in the cells. So in this case, if a number is positive or greater than 0, we'd like to format that green. So for the formatting rules, we will format the cells if the cell is greater than, and in this case, we'll do 0. So if the number is a positive number, it will be formatted in green. Now I tend not to use background colors as much as possible, so I'll click down here for background color and hit none, and change the text color to be a dark green so that it stands out. Cool. So we'll do the same thing if a number is negative. You'll notice that row 3 for SPY is actually negative. I've lost a lot of money on this stock. So we'll add another rule, and we'll do the same thing. If the cell is less than 0, we'll format this a similar way by doing a blank background, but formatting the cell contents or the text to be a red color. And I'll choose a darker red color here. If you hit done, and we close out this conditional formatting rules panel, you'll notice that our cells are now colored based on the value of the cell. If the number is positive, it'll be green. If the number is negative, it'll be red. So that's it for this lesson. As always, I will link a sample project file for you to reference in the description. If you liked this video, click the thumbs up icon below. If you want to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I post the next lesson in this series, hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.